This is why I hate aftermarket.
So much of it.
I'm getting
Zegt hij allemaal?
man, I'm getting nuts.
Today we took out the dashboard on our Volvo 850 in order to get a clear view of all the aftermarket junk that has been installed. We also got a new dash that came with our deal on the front and rear seats, which might be in a better condition than the old one. Now let's dig in.
Let's start by removing that lovely glove box.
We need Torx 25.
There's a total of 6 screws holding in the glovebox compartment.
So there's 2 little tabs on the side of these hinges. You gotta put a little screwdriver in there and then they'll just pop right out. This one. And that is number 2. Right.
Wow. Aha! And now we can see some more Torx 25. You need a ratchet, mate.
Now there's some T25 Torxes.
Torx screws.
To get the bottom panel out.
Oh. Some cables?
That's some lovely cable management right there.
Yes, this is all PDC nonsense, aftermarket stuff.
Krijg je hele erge een houten reet van op dat koude ijzer zitten.
Zal ik dat ding pakken?
A lovely little anti-tiring mat. There you go. Oh, that's just so lovely for my butt. All the energy I can feel flowing through my body right now is insane. Woo!
Mate, you alright?
Next up is the...
Let's just get rid of this, I guess.
Are we sure it's from the PDC unit?
Volvo did not make this.
Yeah, that's true.
Where does it go?
Well, probably. Can we just get rid of this here somehow? Is it screwed in there or glued in there?
Maybe it's double-sided.
Yep. Ah. It goes behind the radio. So we're gonna have to take that out first. It's this clip here. We do not have the proper take out radio clamps.
Huh?
You gotta take the front out first. Maybe that will be easier. Hey. Yep, that's that.
Oh, yes.
Well, there you go. Let's take out these cables here. Yep, I think so. Yep, that's the
Is there a...
the antenna. Could you pull that out and then you get the radio free? Right.
Oh.
This is all radio related, so we gotta keep that. This is part of the PDC unit. That's the left side of that junk. Doop, 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 doop. I can see here are some cables that have been, well, cut, and I think those are also part of this whole...
Is it the kicker?
Could you just pull everything out? Probably.
It goes around the original cable here.
This is the antenna that can stay here. This is all part of the original. Oh my god, what have they done? Look at this shit.
What even is original?
Damn it. I mean, oh man.
What is...
Let's first take out these 2 units here.
What's it? Holy cow.
This is gonna be a hell of a job to figure out. Oh well.
What color cables
Well,
should I pull?
black ones. Maybe. I'm pulling now. What I'm pulling, that's something you can get out. Yeah, that's this one can get out. Yeah, that's the stupid unit.
Oh man, it's all wrapped around the original cable. Oh no, they pulled. Here are the originals.
Ah, that's good. Good to know.
These.
Ja.
Nee, ja, verdomme, verdomme juice, verdomme rommel. Yes.
So we're gonna take the dash out first, and then we'll see where all these cables are going.
So in order to take out the dashboard further, we first needed to remove the top panel, and for that the speaker covers and the speakers itself will first need to be removed.
Speaker is held in by Philips.
3. That's the kicker. So we know those are connected to the original cables.
Yeah.
What do we do? Is that a good sound?
Right, so we basically gotta get new speakers. There's a little screw on the side there.
Guess what?
What?
T25. Some more torques. Top panel.
It's all held in by T25 Torx.
That's loose, it's not coming out. There is none. There is one.
Gotta get that rooster out.
It's a bad translation.
Oh my.
Does it just pop right out or not?
It does. Nice. See, we should take out those center vents.
Some more screws. T25.
So 2 screws above the cluster. Next up, that's left speaker. Oh, there's one screw behind the
Oh yeah.
vent.
The last one.
Yep. It should come right out.
That's the top half.
And it's in one piece. That is good. Right, that's the first part.
Oh.
We are gonna replace that steering wheel. So let's take that out first. And we've got some little bit more room to take out the rest of the dash.
Airbag out. How is that fixed on these cars?
Let's turn the steering wheel up.
Is that a hole? Yes.
Okay then. There's 2 screws holding the airbag in. So to get a little more room, we're gonna take out the cluster first, which is held in by these clips on the top. It's old brittle plastic. Let's hope it doesn't break. That's one. Okay. Now the 2 connectors.
Goes out from the top, I guess.
Right.
Take all these bulbs out.
Yep,
We don't have any lights to worry about.
That's true.
Yes. It's not the best way of doing with the wheels on the ground. Yes. Yeah.
Got him. Take the connector off.
Woo.
Nice.
Be careful.
Yep.
Is it a connector or not? Yes. And then it's a big bolt. Guess we didn't have to take those off. We should mark it first. Let's take this because it should not turn. We need to keep it in place.
Why?
Because if it's rotated once and it's in the same position but it rotated and you put the steering wheel on and then you rotate further, then this thing will break.
Let's remove all these switches.
Wait,
Covers.
what does it do? It's not even.
What?
What the heck is this unit?
What the? Why is that so long? Okay. Good.
Again. It's broken free. Yes.
Oh.
What a massive thing.
That's what she said.
Yes, some quality. I'm gonna guess it's T25.
So there's two bolts which
Correct.
connects the steering column housing.
Yes, it is.
Right. Gotta take that bottom cover off.
We decided to remove the turn signal lever and wiper lever instead of the whole steering column, as there should be enough room to slide the dash over the steering column that way.
First up is now removing all the nuts and bolts on the dash itself. There's one bottom screw on the left and there's one on the right.
So we gotta take this cover off to get to some bolts. In Dutch it's called a paravan. I don't know what it's called in English. Yes.
Rubber pieces.
You gotta take those Torxes out.
Yep, I do.
What the heck is that?
What?
That bolt. That's
Is that a-
supposed to be from the dash, I guess.
No.
Which size is it?
10. Yeah, there's one. There's no screw in there.
Let's try it.
Cables.
A lot of them.
Knoppenkabels. Hier zitten de kabels aan vast. Hier lopen nu allemaal kabels door.
Ja, hier hetzelfde probleem. Ja. Er moeten 5 kabels aan. Dat is die.
In het midden zitten nog allemaal kabels. Oh, hier zit nog van alles in.
Zit al die achteraf in de bouw?
Ja, waarschijnlijk wel.
Dan de duwen gekut.
Het gaat helemaal hier achterdoor. Echt wat een gemeuk hier met die kabels.
Het is belangrijk dat we de originele kabelboom houden.
Ja,
de rest boeit
allemaal uit. Dit zijn die speakers in ieder geval.
Ja,
Die en die.
doorknippen.
Ja, die hebben we toch niet meer nodig. Wie heeft het ooit gebouwd?
En
Nou,
er is zo
rommel.
van achteraf ingebouwde meuk in.
Die hebben ook allemaal afgeknipt. Hier duct tape omheen.
Verdomme, ik word hier zagrijnig.
This is why I hate aftermarket.
So much of it. This is the original. More original. Deze kabels. Dan stel dat volgens mij een boven. You can go. And you also.
Allemaal rommel.
De knol.
Ah,
Wat ligt hier allemaal?
man, I'm getting nuts. Man, this cable management is really something else.
Slightly annoyed.
Just slightly.
Why is everything wrapped around each other? That it's soldered. But what is it soldered to? Yellow. Well, I guess it's not original, so it doesn't matter. One more. And then we got these.
So we're gonna cut those aftermarket positive and negative wires and let's pull them out. We don't need them, we don't want them. Just give me a yell and then I'll pull them out.
Yo!
There you go.
Yes.
Okay,
Progress.
now this one. Right. Are you? Right. So there's one more cable.
Last one, hopefully.
It's just plugged in with an original wire.
Put some new tape around it.
Yeah.
Right, so we got this pile of junk.
It can go. Be gone.
But it's a lot cleaner. But we don't know what
Definitely.
those are.
Yeah, there's some like, I don't know, vacuum hoses or no idea what this is. It's on the clutch. Well, it's not connected to anything, maybe also gas related, not sure. If you know, please let us know. Alright, the dash is out. We got rid of all those lovely aftermarket cables and all those stupid peripherals. Peripherals. Yeah, so next time we'll be repairing all the original cables and then we'll be of course cleaning the dash. It's out now, so we can properly clean it. We can clean the center console, the new one. Then we'll mix out a bunch of stuff from the door panels we got with the ones that are still in the car. Replace the carpet inlays for the leather ones. Yeah, put in the clean carpet. New seats in the front and in the back. Yeah, we got our work cut out for us again. And that's about it for today. So, see you the next time.